So I'm going to pull the carby off, and I don't have any jets on me at the moment, so I'm going to just drill out the jet. It's got a 70 in it. It's too lean and it's running too hot looking at the plug, so just going to drill that out and modify it. Okay, so this is the carby, that's the main jet there. That's a 70 in there. I went and bought this little kit from J-Car. The 0.65, which is that one there, slides straight in and out the main jet nicely. So 70 is actually 0.65 mil, and that equates to 26 thou. So now I'm going to drill it out with the next one up, which is 0.7 mil. Which measures at 29 thou. So 2 thou bigger. And I'm going to see how that goes. Okay, so main jet's been drilled out. It was a number 70. I drilled it out 4 thou. Put it back in the bike, went for a ride, gave it a good long ride on sitting at 80, 90 k's, just flat out. Came back, pulled the spark plug, and here's the results. So that's a standard plug there. As you can see, what they're meant to look like, brand new out of the box. That was a plug that was in it, with the earth strap all discoloured and burnt right down to where it's joined. Porcelain's all discoloured, and the main electrode's all discoloured as well. And that's the plug out of it now. So earth strap's burnt just around the edge, which is where it's meant to be. Porcelain's clean. There's no peppering, there's no discoloration, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll put it on the dyno next and check the mixtures on the dyno, just make sure they're right. Well, I know they're right looking at the plug, but yeah, it's going to be a little bit richer than what it was before. So it just goes to show that an air-cooled bike with high comp, you just got to sort of go off tuning with the plug, reading the plug, not AFRs. Cool, see ya.